Looks bottomless.
It is bottomless.
Who are you?
We are the Enchanted Totem.
The enchanted what?
The Enchanted Totem. We hold the key to the Bridge of Eternal Crossing, which will allow you safe passage across the chasm without end. But first, you must solve our riddle.
All right, well, we've got to get to the North Pole and kill Santa, so let's hear it.
The riddle is this. A father and his son are in a car crash. The father is killed, and the son is taken to the hospital in critical condition. He needs surgery to save his life, but when he is placed on the operating table, the doctor says, "I cannot operate on this boy. He is my son." Who is the doctor?
Wow, this is a toughie.
Yeah, but I think we can rule out the mother right away.
Yeah, definitely. Maybe it's a my two dads kind of situation?
Oh, right, like they don't know which one was the real father, so they both call themselves dad. So wait, were both the guy in the car and the doctor biological parents?
Yes, and the guy in the car was the biological father.
Oh, crap. You know what? Maybe the doctor is the mother.
No, that's crazy. All right, I got it. The dad in the car has to be a vampire. He's already dead, and he's a doctor.
Wow, that's pretty smart. Let's go with that.
Okay, the doctor is the dad who's a vampire.
That is correct.